So.
First ride review?
Car's pretty fast.
What's up guys, DIY Salvage Guy here. Welcome back to the channel. Today's episode, we're gonna have a little bit of fun. In the previous episode, we found a little bit of extra damage on the door jamb and all that other stuff. But today, we're gonna make sure that the car is structurally sound, and we're just gonna take it for a quick test drive. That's what this episode is gonna be about. We're just gonna cruise up and down the street real quick, feel the power of that V6 supercharged engine, let Cody take it for a quick drive, and we're just gonna really enjoy this vehicle so much. I can't wait for him to have it, and the build is gonna progress nice and quick here, guys, so stay with me here. So if you guys are new here, make sure you guys subscribe, make sure you guys like, make sure you're commenting down below. And also make sure you guys are following me over on Instagram, because I do post things on there quicker than it makes its way over to YouTube. And also make sure you guys have your post notifications on. That way you guys can stay up to date on the build and everything else that goes on this channel. To all my returning viewers and subscribers, thank you guys so much for being here and continuing to support me. Now, let's get this baby on the road.
So we got the door back on. We're gonna give it a quick start. We're gonna check out the way that the wheel sits. I believe the wheel's pushed back a little bit, so it's possible that the suspension is bad, but we're gonna take a quick look at it and possibly take it around the block for the first time. Turn the wheel left. Turn the wheel right. Left again. Left, right. Stop. So you guys see that gap. Make the wheel straight. So we have probably about 2.5 inches here. And here we probably have about 1 inch. So that's telling me that the suspension is pushed back a little bit. That's nice and simple, it's no big deal. Hopefully the axle isn't bent, probably just a control arm or two. And so we'll look into swapping that out as well.
Top going down. All right, first ride around the neighborhood.
Yeah, your wheel's definitely pushed back. We're leaning left.
Okay, so car's leaning left a little bit.
So that means the suspension needs to be replaced.
Car's in. Alrighty, we don't have this thingy on. Easy there. It's got some pickup. Nice and tuning. Just missing a little piece of the car. Oh my god! Alright, we're going.
Alright, so we're gonna dead stop. Here we go.
Here's the pickup.
So we're about a block away. We're gonna give Cody the opportunity to drive it right back to the driveway.
Seatbelt's gotta go on. It's insane.
Seatbelt's on.
See, kind of smells weird. Alright, get off a little bit. Ready?
It's nice, easy.
Start easy. That was nice. The wheel does go left a little bit. It's pretty nice. Test the brakes out. Way better than mine. Take it around a little bit. Alright. Always use a blinker. That's left side turn signal. Why does it make that noise? Alright, gotta be cautious. Let's test it out. Just a little preview of the car's got in store. Going crazy.
Don't hit those bumps.
Go right?
Yeah.
Not too shabby for a first run.
First ride review?
Review, car's pretty fast. I mean, it's no Mazda, but it'll definitely do the job.
So for anyone who doesn't know, that's Cody's current car right over there. That's his first car coming out of high school, and we're upgrading him.
Pretty good upgrade, huh?
To this gem with a missing fender and a blue door.
We're keeping it like this.
That's gonna do it for today's episode, guys. Nice quick hitter, nothing too long here today. We're just gonna take it out and we had some fun with it. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the episode. Hopefully you guys got to experience that first pull with us. We're gonna be taking it out a lot because this car is a lot of fun to drive. While the door does have a little bit of damage on it and the fender's not on, bumper's gonna be off soon enough. Car's still drivable, and as long as we're in the development, I'm all good with that. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this channel. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and this build, this series. If there's anything else that you guys would like to say, let me know. What can I improve on? What else can I build? What's a future project that you guys want to see? So if you guys are new here, I really appreciate you guys being here. Hopefully you guys will consider liking, subscribing, throwing me some comments down below. Interact with me. Let me know what you guys think, because I want to interact back with you guys, and the way I can get better at doing this stuff as well. So all my returning viewers and subscribers, thank you guys so much for being here and continuing to support me. I hope that you guys can be inspired by this, by the build, by anything else on my channel, so that you guys can just pick up a wrench, buy a car, do whatever you need to do. Just try to become a DIY salvage guy yourself.